I'll show you how to check your sprinklers because I want to make sure they're all working. I've got it on auto right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to hit manual. And what it's going to do is it's going to start the first section, number 1. And we're going to go out and check it and see how it's doing. Let's see.
Yeah, that one's going that way. So
that looks good.
Yeah, that stopped.
That's doing there. All right, I think that's working. That one there I got to do something with.
Is it on the
See, it's inside the,
oh, you got
it's inside the bush, yeah. This one goes around too.
Yeah, this one should go to
So
here.
this one over here is hitting just in there.
Yeah, that stuff doesn't need a lot of water.
Yeah, that looks good.
Lyrically, or whatever.
That's looking good. And we're gonna go to 2. And we're gonna go look and make sure we're squirting in the right spot. When I kind of replace, now we gotta see how far it goes. The wind's blowing it, so that's not good. That looks good. Okay, here we go. Here we got a problem. So I've got to fix this one right here. That is a problem right there. The rest of these are looking okay. So that's got to be, I got to dig that out and fix it. All right, so we put on number 2 and we have a problem in number 2. So let's go to number 3 now. I'm just going to click it. See, it turns to 3. Now let's go look. Okay, so this is working. This is really only 2 on here because I closed off one of them. So that looks good. All right, let's check number 4 because we're on 3, right? So here we go. So here we go. This one makes a circle, so it looks pretty good. That one's working okay over there. But she's sitting on top of one, so that's not good. See under there? All right, well, looks like they're working okay. So that's not too bad. All right, let's go to 4. I mean 5. We're on, this is 4. We gotta go to 5. Used these in a while, and that's why I've got to check them. So we're on 4. We're gonna go to 5, which I believe is in the backyard. So let's go back over here and look. See if they're kicking on. Yep, here we go. This one I just replaced, so it's doing good. Looks okay. And this one over here, we got to see if it's working. Okay, that one's popped up. You can see these things do get beat up by the guys. They run over them with the frickin' thing. Here, that looks good. All right, well, it's not too bad. I mean, that one's working. We do our last one, right? So we're going to 6. Let's go check out. That's in the backyard. There's the pool. Check out the flowers. And here we are. Let's take a look at it. So this one looks good. That one looks good. This one over here. This one here, I mean, you can see my lawn guys have run over every single one of these things and chopped the tops off. But they still work, so as long as they keep working. And this seems to be doing pretty good. I just want to see the arc. Make sure it's getting a good arc and getting everything. That's the key thing. You can see it. This really does get the backyard pretty good. They pull in. You can see it, right? See how it goes all the way around? But I got to make sure it doesn't go into the house. I don't want to get my pool table wet. I mean my ping pong table wet. All right, that's working good. Okay, I think we're good, except for that one out front. All right, so when you're done, all you have to do is come back and just click it, and it goes back to automatic. It'll just say the date. Today's Friday. So, you know, I've got it on auto. If I wanted to turn it off, I would just go there. So I'm just going to keep it on auto. And yeah, that's it. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos when I fix stuff like sprinklers, which I'm going to do today.